Good day everyone, I am Paolo Aquino, the proud president of Unity Trades Multipurpose Cooperative, a youth-driven and creativity-centered cooperative right here in Barangay Tansa. Unity Trades began in 2020 as a small circle of young entrepreneurs, artists, and advocates who believe that creativity and collaboration can weave communities together. Today, we stand as one, guided by our purpose to empower the youth through skills, sustainability, and solidarity. We believe that every talent, no matter how small, can make a big difference. This is the essence of Unity Trades, a story of creativity, empowerment, and community. Our logo, interwoven threads forming a circle, symbolizes connection, diversity, and shared purpose. Because just like threads, our strength can become unbreakable when we weave together. Our mission is to nurture creativity and promote sustainable livelihood among the youth, empowering them to become independent, responsible, and socially aware individuals. Our vision is a community where young people thrive through creativity, cooperation, and compassion. As the president of Unity Trades Multipurpose Cooperative, I invite you to be part of our movement, a movement that values creativity, cooperation, and compassion. Together, let's continue to weave a brighter future, a future stitched with unity, purpose, and hope. We are Unity Trades, and this is our story. Thank you, and long live with the youth, long live the cooperative spirit, and long live Unity Trades. Thank you.